Between needing more fosters to curb overcrowding to an outbreak of canine flu, the Animal Foundation is asking the public for some help tonight.
8 News Now reporter Madison Kimbrough spoke to the shelter's CEO about what is going on and how they plan on handling things from here on out. She joins us live outside the Animal Foundation now with more.
Denise and Brian, over the weekend, more than 60 people volunteered to foster, but now with dozens of sick dogs and limited space, this shelter is doing all it can to keep all of its animals safe.
In the last couple of weeks, we've had 900 animals come into the shelter.
Following a large influx of animals coming into the Animal Foundation, it's no surprise that many of their dogs are now sick. Hillary Gray, CEO of the Animal Foundation, explaining the situation that they're currently dealing with. Over 100 dogs showing symptoms of an infectious respiratory disease and 2 with confirmed cases of canine influenza.
Now that we have seen a lot of the respiratory disease in the shelter, we want to make sure that we have space for the animals that need us the most.
And part of their push for foster care is to ensure that their healthy dogs stay away from the shelter, hoping to curb any outbreak from spreading. As for why so many animals have come through their doors in the last couple of weeks, Gray says they've seen several hoarding cases, along with animal control bringing in lost pets.
We actually had a hoarding case of about 36 dogs come in the last couple of weeks, and another one last week of 100 cats from one household.
And while Gray and her team are unaware of how this health scare started, their vet staff are taking matters very seriously.
We know that it's spreading pretty quickly. As contagious as it can be, it also has a very low morbidity rate, but it is very treatable.
And even with the knowledge of dog illnesses within the shelter, Mesquite locals Teresa and Joseph Phillips still wanted to foster.
I filled out the application online. I wanted to help out.
Well, there's always going to be a little bit of concern, but talking to the people inside there, they told us that she may or may not have been exposed, and just to keep an eye out on it. And we have a local vet in our town.
And while initially the shelter said they only needed up to 50 fosters, as you just heard, they need all the help that they can get. Now, they will be open all week from 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Reporting here in the East Valley, Madison Kimbrough, 8 News Now.
Now, as of tonight, the Animal Foundation is only asking for a 1-week fostering commitment. There's no cost, as the shelter will provide the food, the crates, leash, collar, whatever you need. So if you're interested and you can help out, fill out an application online, and we posted a link to that at 8newsnow.com.